The goal of the game is simple. Get rid of all your cards first. To play, you'll need at least 2 players, but the more, the merrier. In this video, we'll go over the official Uno rules, as well as some common house rules we grew up playing with. Buckle up, and we'll have you Uno ready by tonight. Ready? Let's go. First, deal 7 cards to each player. Put the rest of the cards face down, that'll be the draw pile. Then, flip 1 card face up to start the discard pile. And now that we've set up, we'll do a little demonstration of this fan favorite. The first player starts by playing a card that matches the top card by either color, number, or symbol. You can also play a special card known as the wild card, where you can change the color. In this example, Uno will play a wild card and change the color. Now, if you can't play, draw 1 card. If that drawn card can be played, play it. If not, your turn ends. Now on to the action cards. These cards change the game for better or for worse. Skip means that the next player misses a turn. Draw 2 means the next player draws 2 and misses their turn. Wild card means that you can change the color. Wild card draw 4 means that you could pick the color and the next player draws 4 and misses a turn. Reverse means the play direction is reversed.
House rule alert!
People get feisty when it comes to the +2s and the +4 rules. In our house rules, you can stack +2s and +4s galore.
Bam! Una, pick up.
Stacey, that's you. Pick up 4.
Well, would you look at that? Una's down to her last card. When you have 1 card left, shout Uno before the next player takes their turn. If you forget and someone catches you before the next player moves, you draw 2 penalty cards. Alright, have you been paying attention? If not, no worries, I got you. Let's do a little recap and then some. Special considerations. Deal 7 cards. Flip 1 to start the discard pile. Match color, number, symbol, or play a wild card. Draw 1 if you can't play, then play it if possible. The action cards include skip, reverse, draw 2, wild card, and wild draw 4.
The upside down.
When you get down to 1 card, say Uno. If someone beats you to it though, draw 2. Now, what are some house rules that you play with? Let us know in the comments. Join us next time for some more fun and games.
Uno!